If you're new to our channel, you'll be unaware that we lost all of our money in the last video. This has left us feeling sad and angry. We're a long way from home, but I have to somehow make it back. Time was up on our pitch. We set off north, hoping that our almost full tank of diesel will get us home to England. But deep down, we knew it wasn't going to happen. For us, to get home, we needed to travel as cheaply as possible. We had to face hard facts, and we simply couldn't afford to keep the three of us on the road. Food was running low, and the weight of all three of us was making our fuel economy a big problem. It was time to make a heartbreaking decision.
We're at the vets for Pablo.
We arrived at a renowned French veterinary practice on the outskirts of Geneva. For years, I'd been developing a product that I knew would bring both myself and Claire great wealth. I didn't have the time needed to bring this product to life, but I knew that I could sell the idea if I found the right person. We were so excited when we were allowed into the practice to meet the head vet. He was going to get the rights to a product that would make him wealthy beyond his wildest dreams, and we were going to get the money needed to get home. Merci for seeing us. I've got a video showing the features, benefits and advantages of this amazing product.
I smell you.
I smell you too.
We smell each other. What does mine say about me? Confident. Ambitious. Wild.
Lake Annecy. Frances number 1 K9 ring refresha.
They just don't get it. This is a really good idea.
The best. Let's use one of your other great ideas.
Claire, I don't think I've got any good ideas. Nobody's interested in my ideas.
I really liked your mobile hairdressing idea.
Did you?
It was really good.
You think so?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Really?
Yeah, I think we could just modify it for the French market.
We decided to continue towards the city of Geneva in the hope of finding someone in need of a trim. With limited diesel, we knew that finding the best location would maximize our profits. Staring out at Lake Geneva, I felt like the famous fountain was trying to give me hope. But the truth is, I haven't cut hair since lockdown. And even then, I felt it never looked symmetrical. As we wandered the streets, a sinking feeling came over me. Without a penny to our names, it seemed that Geneva didn't offer free parking. I knew I had to stay positive for Claire. I tried to offer a moped rider travelling at the side of us a discounted cut at the traffic lights, but the buckle on his chin strap got stuck, and he couldn't take his helmet off before red turned to green. We had to accept that Croppo van wouldn't help us this time. We had only one option left to us, and that was to sell our beloved van, St. Christopher of Atlantis. We found a camper van dealer nearby and headed off in that direction with the limited diesel we had left. Our European dream was over. Our van life was over.
Monsieur Andy? Can we look at the van?
Hi, this is mate. Way inside. Decent tyres.
You said this was one of a kind.
Well, it is.
You said it was in excellent condition.
Well, it was before I converted it.
You said it was worth 60,000.
Did I? I'll have a word with Claire and we'll see what we can do.
I don't want it.
Well, if it's a money thing, mate, why not pay me in instalments? It was not meant to be.
We'd hit rock bottom. The refuel light was lit. We were all out of options. The van was about to grind to a halt. There was nothing we could do, so we decided that we would see the end of our dream in one of the most beautiful places on earth, Lake Annecy. The majestic mountains and turquoise lake set a bittersweet backdrop to the end of life as we knew it. With the van empty of fuel, we abandoned it on the streets of Annecy and made our way towards the main town. We may not have a penny to our names, but we've still got our optimism that something, anything, could come along.
We've made it to Lake Annecy.
The scenery felt familiar, and memories started to present themselves to me like shining beacons guiding the way. Although my K9 ring refresher presentation got turned down earlier, I knew that some of it was still not to be sniffed at. Last year, I came to Lake Annecy to film the commercial. I brought with me a football sticker book for the 2022 World Cup and almost filled it, but threw it away in disgust when England got knocked out in the quarter-finals with the loss to France, who went on to win the entire competition. If I remember rightly, I had managed to fill the French team with the sticker packs I'd bought with the money I'd made from my tour modelling side hustle, and this was now a very, very valuable item. If I could find it on the streets of Annecy, I could sell it on to a local collector the same day.
What's that?
What?
It's there.
What's there?
Your sticker book.
This one. Oh. Claire, it is. It's it. Oh my God. Right, we need to get back to the van before anybody sees us with it. Yes. Right, look. I knew it, Claire. I knew it. We're here. This is it. This is how we get back. Let me find it. Let me find France. Oh, look. See, full set.
You did get them all, didn't you?
Yep.
Oh,
What?
apart from that one.
Theo Hernandez.
Hang on a minute. Let me have a look in my magazine.
Why?
Because he looks like Justin Bieber.
Yeah, he does, doesn't he?
He does. I'll rip him out and let's use him.
You think it'll work?
Yeah, I do.
Now that we have the full French team with their star player Justin Bieber, we quickly made our way back into the town to see the famous sticker book collector and YouTuber Paul McAnald. Luckily, he had a shop in the middle of Annecy, and even more luckier, he was at work that day. Paul didn't notice our last-minute substitute, and after some heavy bartering, he bought it from us for €30. It wasn't a lot, but it will get us closer to home. With an empty tank of diesel and no food or water, we had to spend this money wisely and prioritise the things we needed the most.